Welcome to Beautyistic, beauty lovers. If you've ever had dull or uneven skin, you know how tough it can be to restore that natural radiance. Today, we're tackling that with a peel-off mask designed to boost glow and smooth texture. Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Vitamin C Glow-Boosting Unicorn Peel-Off Mask. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review on your favorite products. Now, let's jump into this mask that promises to revitalize tired, uneven skin. This mask is designed to brighten dull, uneven skin, and it's packed with some powerhouse ingredients like vitamin C and antioxidant-rich grapefruit. Both of these are known for their skin brightening properties, which is key when you're battling that lackluster complexion. It's formulated with 95% natural ingredients, so it's got a pretty clean profile for those who are conscious about what goes on their skin. And let's not forget, it's also cruelty-free, which is always a plus. Now, using the mask is simple enough. The product comes with a built-in applicator that unlocks with a twist. You're supposed to smooth a thick layer over your face, avoiding the eyes, eyebrows, and hairline, and the texture is smooth, almost like a gel. It spreads really easily, and I love that the spatula ensures you can build up the edges for a mess-free experience. You'll need to relax and wait until the mask is fully dry, which usually takes about 15 minutes, and then the fun part begins, peeling it off. So how did this perform in real-life testing? I used it after my usual evening skincare routine, which includes cleansing and toning. The mask applied smoothly and gave off a nice, fresh grapefruit scent that wasn't overpowering. Once on, it felt cooling and didn't dry out too quickly, which made it relaxing to wear. After 15 minutes, it peeled off easily in one solid piece, leaving my skin feeling refreshed and smoother. As for brightness, my skin definitely looked more even-toned right after removing the mask, and it felt incredibly soft. Pros? First of all, the ease of application was a major win for me. No mess, no fuss. The fact that it's made with natural ingredients also makes it feel like a much safer option compared to other chemical-packed masks out there. Plus, the instant brightening effect, without irritation, really stands out. On the flip side, the mask does take a little longer to dry than some others I've tried. It's not a huge con, but for those who want a quick skincare fix, this could be a bit of a wait. Also, the peel-off part can be a little tricky if you don't apply it thick enough, but that's really a minor issue once you get the hang of it. When it comes to value for money, this mask is relatively affordable compared to other high-end glow-boosting treatments. The fact that it uses natural ingredients and is free from parabens, SLS, and silicones adds even more appeal, especially when considering the price point. Given its effectiveness, I would say it's definitely worth it for anyone looking to brighten their skin without splurging on pricier alternatives. For alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price point, there are some other peel-off masks with vitamin C, but few include the natural ingredients this one does. So if you're trying to maintain a clean beauty routine but also want visible results, this product definitely hits the mark. As for the build quality, the packaging is easy to use, and the built-in spatula is a nice touch. No need to worry about messy hands during application. Plus, the mask itself lasts for multiple uses, which extends its value. Now, if you've used this mask, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below to share your experience. Was it a game changer for your skincare routine, or did it fall flat? And if you're interested in giving it a try, I've got the link in the description or comments for you. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest reviews right here on Beautyistic. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.